Here I have ALCATEL free, and let me show you how to enter the recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, then choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. So let's wait until your device will be completely switched off. And afterwards you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. So let's hold down together those two keys for a couple of seconds. Keep holding both keys. Release them as soon as ALCATEL logo pops up on the screen. And that's it, this is the Android recovery mode. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. At first you have to choose your language, in my case let me choose English, press power key to confirm it. And this is the Android recovery mode. Here you can read a couple of useful information about your system, and you can also navigate here by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. As you can see here, you can reboot to bootloader, you can apply update from ADB, you may also try to update your phone by using SD card, you can accomplish hard reset by choosing wipe data factory reset, you may wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, or enable ADB. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose power off, or the first option, which is Reboot System Now. So let me choose Reboot System Now, press power key to confirm it, and wait until your phone boots into a normal mode. Excellent, as you can see the home screen pops up. Now you can unlock your device and start using your phone in a normal way. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.